Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Y-3 QISAN COZY. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Let's go. So today, we've got a look at the Y-3 QISAN. I hope I pronounced that right. If I didn't, let me know in the comment section below. QISAN COZY. And we got this in the black, blue, green, red colorway in a US 8.5. It's a European 42, or the French 42, and it's a UK size 8. So right back at it, guys, we are here with the Y-3 Adidas, and we've got the QISAN COZY. And here we go, let's get opening. There they are. Here it is. Really dope sneaker, very futuristic vibes. It gives me like that Japanese look. When you think Japanese baggy clothing, this will go that tech wear fit. This screams that. I mean, if you're familiar with Yohji Yamamoto's work, his line Y-3, probably one of the greatest Japanese clothing brands of all time. That is that silhouette. They go for that box cut, kind of large figures, and these are the sneakers that go well with it. I mean, obviously these were designed by Y-3. Start with the outsole. So it's an all rubber outsole. A lot of traction patterning here. Really cool. You can see the inside of the foam. This like little slant here. Very reminiscent of other Adidas sneakers. And you can see the branding Y-3 Adidas Yohji Yamamoto right there. And you can see the shank plate on the blue right here. I mean, it's quite exposed when I show you on the midsole. There's a shank plate here. Obviously, it's there for the stability of the sneaker. You got this light strike midsole unit here, and it says it right there on the medial side. It is one of Adidas's patent foams that they incorporate in a lot of their sneakers. And as we move along onto the upper, so you got a beautiful neoprene sock liner. It looks like a futuristic runner, as I mentioned before, in regards to the whole Y-3 aesthetic. And what I do like about this sneaker, I mean, Y-3 website, well, it's really Adidas' website. The Y-3 QISAN COZY takes a lot of inspiration from the famous Y-3 QISAN, and essentially you can see the similarities in regards to it being a slip-on sneaker right here, laceless, basically. The upper being predominantly made out of neoprene, so you can slip your feet in. It's that sock liner. You got bits of textile, some bits of leather right there. You can see on the medial and the lateral side. At the toe box, you can see some synthetic materials around the toe box area and the mud guards around here. No laces, barely any tongue, because again, this is just a neoprene sock liner. Nicely padded around the ankle support and the heel, right here. Pull tab, both on where the tongue would be and at the heel. And you've got a nice blend of colors. You've got this like mint green, the blue that's on the shank plate. It's off-white tab here, going around the sneaker as well. And what I really like is that they've incorporated a red Y-3 heel plate right there, the Y-3 logo. If you look at it at the front on, the colors, it reminds me of the original Adidas NMD, you know, that blue, red, and the black. We've done a review of the retro years ago. God, I was like skinnier back then if you watch that video. But yeah, this kind of reminds me of throwing all that colors and putting it on the upper. And obviously that is one of Adidas's probably most, I wouldn't say it's the most hyped sneaker they have, but it was groundbreaking at the time. You know, when Adidas had that moment of just Ultra Boost, NMD, you couldn't get away from it. So I could probably see inspiration. Correct me if I'm wrong, anyone, any designers from Y-3, I know you're watching, let us know where you got your design process from. All that said, I really can't wait to try these on. These are gonna be reflective of Y-3 QISAN, which is again one of Y-3's most famous sneakers of all time. Really excited to try these on. Brought up footage of me trying these QISAN Cozys on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a true to size Adidas fit. So I am a UK size 8, which is a European 42 when it comes to Adidas. And well, I mean, these are Y-3s, but so it's made by Adidas. My toes are where they need to be. These are really comfy, guys. Very easy to put on. I'm quite apprehensive when it comes to neoprene sneakers because I did the mistake of buying my Stussy Huaraches my actual size when I should have got it half size bigger. But to be fair, these fit well. I don't have to go a half size up. I think I've got enough space on my toes. And the footbed is really comfortable, guys. Not else much to say. It's gonna look really dope on. So it is a 360 for you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us out. Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time. Peace.